What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome Afro beat for a Joeboy. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create all the layers when it comes to the melody. After that I'm going to zoom in on how to create a really awesome drum pattern. After that I'm going to add some drum rolls. I'm just going to create them from scratch. And then I'm going to guide you through the final arrangement. So let's get right into it. First I'm going to set the BPM to 100. And first I'm going to start off just with some simple keys. So I'm going to use the Whirly V2 as usual. And I'm going to use this rosy preset. I'm just throwing down the timbre a little bit. And I'm going to start off with a chord progression. So I'm going to start off with this melody. And this melody will be created in G minor, that is C and A. And right now I'm going to add the guitar melody, so I'm going to add the ample guitar as H. I'm going to use this smooth jazz solo preset, this one, turn up the velocity. And then we're going to use this E. And then just this C and A should sound really good together. Now we're going up right here. So this E and C. That's really awesome. But I'm going to add something right here. So I'm going to select 1/6 step right here. That's fire. So right now just also play around with the velocity because it will change the sound of the guitar. So right now it sounds like this and I think it's really awesome. So right now I'm going to add the bass guitar. So I'm going to use the ample bass A right here. And I'm just going to use the default preset. And I'm going to use the root notes of this melody. So this D right here. And then the A, so this A right here. Then I'm going to use this F. And I'm going to use this A again. And I'm going to add something which adds some more rhythm. So I'm going to use Expand 2. And this also should be a guitar. So I'm using this hard matte nylon pick preset. This one. So duplicate this one right here. And I'm just going to use the chord progressions right here. So follow the ghost notes. Duplicate this one. Just insert this one right here. And this will create a delay effect. So without and with, just turn down the velocity. That's fire, that's fire. So I've just created a full pattern right here. And I think that's basically it when it comes to the melodies. So right now I'm going to use my sample pack. So if you're interested in the sounds which I'm using, make sure to check out the link in the description. And I'm going to use the African Sample Pack Volume 1. So I've selected some samples right here. This one, and this one. And I'm going to create just a really basic pattern. So I'm going to turn this one up to E. So I'm going to layer this pattern to the other sample. And I'm just gonna layer some samples. So right now I'm gonna layer it to the rim shot. Turn down the velocity. Using this one, which always sounds really awesome. So I've added these bongos, this one and this one, and I'm just gonna create a really simple pattern. So now I'm gonna create a drum roll. So I'm gonna start off with this conga right here, this one. So I've duplicated this bongo right here to this one, and I've created this pattern. So now I'm gonna add this low tom when creating the roll. And I'm adding this low tom right here, this one. And I'm adding that one right here. And I'm adding those elements to the mixer. So for example, insert 20 and link all those ones to this bus channel. And just select one, deselect it right here and link it to this bus channel. And right now just use this equalizer right here, cut out the low frequencies, and I'm going to add the Valhalla Vintage verb. You can also use the fruity reverb. And right now the roll sounds like this. Cut out the low frequencies from the reverb. So now I'm going to solo those ones. As you can hear, it already sounds like a roll. Something like this. And I'm going to add this crash just in front of this one right here. So that's basically it, and right now I'm going to create the arrangement and just make some adjustments and guide you through that arrangement. So this is the final arrangement, but first I'm going to guide you through some of the elements. So this is the drum roll, the final drum roll right here. And I've added this snare, this one, just a really simple pattern. And I've linked them all to this bus channel which I did previously. And this is the final preset. So that's it when it comes to the drum roll. I've also added some more effects to the guitar. So I've added this retro color, this fruity delay, some EQ just to cut out some of, just to reduce some of the frequencies right here, which I don't like. And then I've added a lot of reverb. So a huge decay of 4 seconds and just some mix. And cut out the low frequencies, which is really important. And then I've added this shaker loop, also included in the sample pack, this one. So right now I'm gonna just play the beat. So just guitar and the chords are coming in. Shaker loop and the bass right now. Added this kick pattern, which is just a really simple kick pattern, and I've turned down the key of the sample. Tom is coming in, So I've separated this one from the drum loop. And the mid guitar rhythm is coming in. I think this is just a really chill beat. And the other elements are coming in again. And as you can see, every 2 bars I've cut out this last bar right here. So that keeps it really interesting when the next transition is coming in. Just this bridge bar before the hook is coming in again. It's basically the same as the intro right here. And right here, those mid guitars are coming in directly. So that's just to keep it really interesting. The toms are coming in again. The top guitar. And this is just the outro part of the beat. The toms again. So that's basically it. So I hope it made it more clear to you how to arrange a beat and how you can create a really interesting arrangement with just using 3 main elements. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe, it will really help me. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.